Hello guys, welcome our YouTube channel again. So today guys, Mumbai is heavy rain. So guys, I want to say you today I haven't any topic. So that's why I want to say you for myself. So I have a big destiny. My fortune is very good. I have a good family. I have a happy family. My wife is very live happy with me. My wife lives happy with me. My kids, I would say that for kids, my wealth. If I talk about my brother is helped me a lot. If I talk about my nephew, my dream. Okay, every nephew, my dream. So I'm I am talking about you know only for family. I did achieve a good. I did achieve a lot. Okay, I did achieve everything, but unfortunately I have an education. That's why I want to talk. I want to learn speak English. I want to talk in English. That's why I spend time every day. So my son is I am talking about my son. My son is does business. He is a big businessman, better than me. So I proud it. But if I talk about my daughter is my wealth. My daughter is my dream. My daughter anytime care me. So my daughter is very good. Every doctor, every kid, my kid is very good. So guys, I want to say you today Mumbai weather is very pleasant. I would say that for weather getting rain, uh, it's have been getting rain for 4 days consistency. So that's why today I haven't any fire. Only I inside in only came 3 buyer since morning. So guys, today I'm some very worried because business is everything for me. Okay, so but my life is my kids, my nephew. Okay, so it talk about my daughter. My daughter want become a doctor. I have two daughters, 18 and 14, 11 and 12 class. They are studying 11 and 12. So both are want become a doctor. So guys, I want to say you without English environment, how can become a doctor? That's why I want to learn speak English. I want to give environment in the home. I want to talk with daughter because without environment, how can learn my daughter? How can talk my daughter? So that's why I want to give environment inside home in the home. That's why I spend every day time 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 80 minutes. But already, do you know, I am very hard worker. I did very hard work. Then getting benefit. So, guys, I know everything. If you want to learn speak English, without hard work, you can't learn. But English is some difference. English is easy, better than success. Okay. If you want become a businessman, there you have to do a lot work. But if you want to learn speak English, you can learn easily because if you talk about inside home, you will meet everything. You everything name in English means plate, mat, cupboard, cooker, spoons, fridge, everything you will meet in English name. So if you talk about English, if you talk wisely, you can learn easily language. Only you have to add on, okay, little bit. Suppose that uh, blanket, okay. So everything I would say that 50 you I would say that 60% names you will meet in English in the home. Everything, glass you can say, plate, jug, everything in English. So if you talk wisely, if you learn wisely, 100% gradually, day by day, you will be able to talk. So no need to worry. English is uh, no need to win, no need to conquer. I would say that you want to talk between people, so you can talk easily, but you have to try. If you try every day, little bit, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, after that, you will be able to talk. It will maximum 6 months. After 6 months, you can 100% you can see you will be changed self. But you have to talk. You have to open mouth. Without conversation, without practice, you can't learn. Okay. So English is too much easy. Better than Hindi. Better than Urdu. Better than Sanskrit. English is very easy. So guys, my fortune is very good because uh, when I started business, when I left home, at that time I had nothing. But after 35 years, I have everything. I did hard work, but now I do smart work. So depend on your hard work. If you do hard work today, 100% one day you will do smart work. Depend on your hard work, depend on your ability, depend on your knowledge, depend on your way, depend on your habit. So both are is important. Suppose that labor does very hard work, but labor can't be success because their lack of knowledge. So guys, if you are hardworking, if you are doing hard work, so you should hard work wisely. Okay. No need to only hard work. No need to only hard work. You should work. You should hard work wisely. Uh, you should any goal before start hard work. You should have any goal. Okay. Without goal, you can't do anything. Without reason, you can't do anything. You should have behind reason. Then you can be success. Suppose that you want to go Delhi. Okay. So you if you have plan, then you can go. Without plan, if you go outside, so how can be success? Suppose that you have to give exam. Okay, you have to give exam after 1 year. Every student does hard work because a student want to give exam. So a student has goal. So that's why if you are hard worker, you are doing hard work, money is not important. Money you can take 100 rupees, 200, 500, 1000, 2000 per day. But is it not goal? You should not goal only 1000 rupees. Your goal should be a big. Today I am worker. After today I will become a businessman. A small I will start a small business. Then I will do gradually. I will become a big businessman. So your intention should be a big. If your intention a big, automatically your way will be clear. Day by day, day by day, day by day, you can become a good businessman. Otherwise, if your intention only 1000 rupees, you can earn all life 1000 rupees. If your intention 2000, you can earn easily 2000 per day. But your intention should be big. Then gradually everything, every human able to achieve every goal, but depend on your goal. If you have a big goal, 100% you can achieve gradually, day by day, day by day you can, but your goal is I want to earn 1000 rupees, you can earn easily. Okay, if you want to, if you want my earn should be uh, 2000, you can earn 2000, but your intent, your expectation should be a big. Then you can become a big businessman, you can achieve a big goal. Everyone, every people has different ability. So you should do wisely. You should think about self ability. Then you should start work. Okay. So guys, yeah, already I want to say you everything possible. Okay, you are educated, you are not educated. If you are illiterate, you are sixth class, seventh class, eighth class. After that, you can become success. I want to talk about business. For business, no need to educated person. No need to good education. You have knowledge. If you have knowledge, if you have ability, you can do everything. If you initially time you have to hard work, sir. So if you want to success, get ready anytime. Get ready always for hard work wisely. Okay, depend on your intent, depend on your expectation. If your intent only 500 rupees, I want to every day 500, 100% you can earn 500 rupees. Okay, you might earn 500 rupees. So depend on your ability, depend on your you can say intention. Okay, so every people able to everything, every human has a lot ability, but some people does use, some people does not use. If you use ability, 100% you will be success. If you don't use ability, how can be success? So guys, thank you for watching my video. So guys, please don't forget to like my video and share to, and subscribe. Thank you so much.